In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll have a clean, downloadable file of your contacts that you can use for backups, migrations, or email marketing tools. I'll walk you through the exact path inside Zoho CRM, explain what each option means, and share a few tips to keep your data clean and secure, all without adding extra steps. Start by opening Zoho CRM and heading to your homepage. Make sure you're signed into the right account and using the correct workspace for your organization. The interface can look slightly different depending on your layout or permissions, but the controls we'll use are in the same general place. Next, click the settings icon, typically found in the upper right corner. This takes you into the administrative area of Zoho CRM, where you control data, users, and system preferences. If you don't see the options I'm about to mention, you may need the appropriate permissions from your admin, since exporting is often restricted to protect sensitive information. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Data Administration. This is the hub for importing, exporting, backing up, and maintaining your CRM data. Select Export to open the export dashboard. Here, you may see a list of any previous exports along with their status, file type, and availability for download. Choose Start and Export to begin a new one. You'll first be asked which module you want to export. Open the module dropdown and select Contacts. This tells Zoho CRM you're specifically exporting records from the Contacts module rather than leads, accounts, or any other module. Now, choose which subset of contacts you want to export. Open the Contacts Custom View dropdown. If you want everything, pick all contacts. If you maintain curated views, like customers, prospects, or region-based lists, those will appear here too. Selecting a narrower custom view is a great way to export only the contacts that matter for a specific task, without extra filtering later. For this walkthrough, we'll use all contacts so we capture the entire list. Next, decide which fields to include. Click the Fields option and choose All Fields. This ensures every available contact property, such as names, emails, phone numbers, ownership, and any custom fields you've created, makes it into the export. If you only need a subset for a particular workflow, you could choose a more limited set, but selecting all fields is safest when you're not sure which fields you might need downstream. Remember, more fields mean a larger file, but you can always hide columns later in a spreadsheet. It's time to pick your file type. Click, choose File Type, and select CSV. CSV files are broadly compatible, lightweight, and easy to import into spreadsheet tools and other applications. If you prefer an Excel native format, XLSX is also available, but CSV is usually the most portable choice. After downloading, if your spreadsheet opens the file with the wrong delimiter or character set, adjust your import settings there. No need to change anything in Zoho CRM for this export. When everything looks good, click Export. Zoho CRM will start processing your request. For larger databases, this can take a moment, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. You'll be returned to the export dashboard where you can monitor the status. Once it's complete, hover over the export you just created. You'll see the available action appear. Click Download to save the file to your computer. It will land in your default Downloads folder unless your browser is set to ask each time. Because contact files often contain personal data, store the file securely and share it only with those who need access. That's it. You've navigated to Settings, chosen Data Administration, launched an export for the Contacts module, included all contacts in all fields, selected CSV, and downloaded the finished file. You can repeat these steps anytime and swap in a custom view if you want a targeted export for a campaign or report. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.